Okay, here we are with the LEDs flowing through the pattern we expect. The bottom LED flashes through red, green, blue, the middle one through green, blue, and the top one through red, green, blue. This is running the Olimex board connected to the Discovery board just used as a programmer, and that's the LEDs. See the buttons there? And if I turn up the volume on the amplifier, you should be able to hear the metronome sound. Just a regular beat, and then if I press the middle button, which is the only one that works right now, I should hear the sound of a train whistle. And that's what I've gotten so far.